Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE. The amount of income a taxpayer can earn and still claim the Earned Income Credit have changed. The Earned Income Credit primarily applies to those who have children and who have a lower adjusted gross income. The taxpayer can claim this credit if they have no children and earnings are less than $13,980, one child and earnings are less than $36,920, two children and earnings are less than $41,952, or three or more children and earnings are less than $45,060. The tax credit maximums have also increased in 2012. The maximum credits that can be received are no children, $475, one child, $3,169, two children, $5,236, and three or more children, $5,891. Let's look at a review question. Cassie has two children living with her in 2012. She is not married. In order to be able to claim the Earned Income Credit, she cannot earn over which amount for 2012? A. $43,998, B. $41,952, C. $36,052, or D. $41,132. The correct answer is B, $41,952. This is the maximum amount Cassie can earn while having two children living with her in order to claim the Earned Income Credit. Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.